Morning. Look who I'm with. Pow!
What up, YouTube bitches?
He never swears like that on his channel, only on mine.
Yeah, I know.
You potty mouth.
Poo, bum, willy.
Right,
Paul.
so, shh, hush your mouth, fool. So we are going to Waitrose. I don't shop at Waitrose because it's expensive, but
I don't shop at
to.
Waitrose through choice, but it's actually, I shop at Waitrose for fish, because I eat a lot of fish, and they have really good fish there. Otherwise, I don't really care, but so that's why I'm going there. And also, Tan loves Waitrose. She's not with me today, but
you've got like verbal diarrhea.
She's not with me today, but she has like an epiphyt every time we go to Waitrose. Oh my god, we're going to Waitrose! Ah! And she loves it. So now it's kind of forced for habit.
Okay, good chat.
Thank you.
Shush. Yeah. Anyway, so we're going to Waitrose. Jimmy wants fish, and then what are we doing for the rest of the day? You've got to go home and get post. Yeah. I'm going to go and train legs, which sucks.
I haven't been to the gym for, I don't know, I think maybe a month.
Yeah, so maybe you can come along with us and see what fish Jim decides to buy in Waitrose.
Waitrose.
Okay, toodaloo.
Okay, we've got to the difficult choices now.
Do roll. But
What kind do you get? Do you go for economy or do you go for comfort?
Or do you go for second-hand toilet roll? Seems a slightly less hygienic option. Recycled toilet paper. I can give you some of that.
No, it's fine. Thanks. I've been in the bathroom after you and nothing gets recycled out of that. It's like a nuclear hot war zone.
Jim's decided he's going to show you his haul of what he got.
All the fish I got, that's reduced, $1.99.
Oh, bargain.
I'll do that today though.
Bargain. We love a good bargain.
Wholemeal pasta and wholemeal wraps.
And I got some chilli and beef.
Yeah, that's it. Let's go play. How much do you think we came this?
Yeah, let's play a game. How much is the contents of this trolley worth? So there's your shot of what's in the basket.
My guess is
I reckon mine is going to be £8. Yours is going to be 40 quid.
You think £8?
Mine. Yours will be 40.
Oh, yours. Well, we'll get it all in one go. I think my total is going to be about £52.
52.
And 36p.
And 36p, and I went 40 quid. So let's see. Champione! And he wins. My food came to £7, and I said it was £8, which meant the total of our shopping came to £37, in which I said £40, and James said
I hit the curb.
That would be the curb. That's why the car's not moving. And you said £52.
I wasn't.
Which was
far
a
off.
school boy error. 37, sorry.
And it was a hollow victory anyway. Well, actually, no, it wasn't. It was a lose-lose for me because not only did John beat me in the guess, I also bought his food anyway.
Yeah, I didn't know you did that. Oh, speed bump.
So I got nothing out of that.
Yep. Lose-lose.
Rubbish.
Rubbish. So, the agenda for the rest of the day. I am torn between two minds. I do not know whether to go to the gymnasium now and sweat and cry in pain, or go into the city, get a haircut, because my barnet is getting big. He's going to go for a red light. No, he hasn't. And, where was I? Oh, he's going to cut that sign. Look at him cutting the trees.
You're talking about getting your hair cut?
It's all
You
happening.
should get your hair cut with one of those things.
Yes! Let's do that!
Like that.
Do you know what you remind me of?
Hey,
Hey, Harry! What's the most annoying noise in the world? That's a Dumb and Dumber reference if you haven't seen the film. When we were younger, anytime one of us was slightly annoyed, the other one was going, as loud as you can.
Hey, Harry!
You getting double stamp, triple stamp, Lloyd?
As soon as you heard the words, hey, Harry!
You just want to punch him.
Mum used to love that as well. You see the mum's face. Hey, Harry!
Mum loves everything. Mums love it when you went down the stairs in a washing basket.
Yeah.
Have you told the story?
No, I don't know. I haven't.
In our old house, we had tiny little stairs which go to a right angle at the bottom. So basically, just into a wall. When we were younger, Jim thought it'd be a good idea to get one of the washing baskets. Bear in mind, it was about the size of a cardboard box. Sat himself in it, put a sieve on his head, and went down the stairs in it. Straight
You
into
said
the
when
wall.
we were younger, I wasn't that young.
No.
I can't see.
I was trying to do yourself a favour by saying you were a bit older, but
I reckon I was about 13.
music's on. Right, so Jimmy's just gone home, so he can go meet the postie because he's waiting for a package for Tanya, I think. So I'm gonna go to the gym. Doing my legs, which is going to be so painful. Anyway, going to do that, then hopefully, with a little bit of luck, Jim will give me a ring, and he's going to come meet me in the city. I'm going to get a haircut, I'm going to have a look around the shops and stuff, and then we can play some games. Blew into the sea, got a barnet cut as you can see, got a shirt because it's my friend's stag do this weekend, he's getting married, so we've got to go to the races and stuff like that, so that's the horses racing, so might try and fill some of that, but it's probably not going to happen, to be honest. I just made awesome chilli, get my belly, trying to have red meat once a week really, just to try and get a bit more protein into me, don't work too many times a week. But anyway, went in the city, got a shirt like I said, and this, wow, USC Undisputed 3. Yeah, when I was in Australia, my friend had it, so, but the older one, so hopefully this is going to be good. And now I'm going to spend the next few hours having a little play on the Xbox. Why not? So, on that note, I shall love you and leave you. So have a nice day, everybody. Goodbye.